Hello and welcome to our video on Healy Learning Hub. In this video, we'll show you how to delete cookies in different browsers, and why using incognito mode can help you better protect your data. Let's take a look at how you can delete cookies in Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Google Chrome. Open Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear Browsing Data. Check the box for cookies and other site data and confirm. Mozilla Firefox. In Firefox, click on the three horizontal lines, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Under Cookies and Site Data, click Delete Data. Microsoft Edge. In Edge, click on the three dots, open Settings. Under Privacy, Search, and Services, select Clear Browsing Data. Check the box for cookies and other site data and click Clear Now. Safari. In Safari, go to Settings, Privacy, remove all website data and click Remove Now. Manually deleting cookies is helpful. But there is an even easier option, incognito mode. If you don't want cookies or your browsing history to be saved, switch to incognito mode. In Chrome, open the three dots in the top right and select New Incognito window. In Edge, as in Chrome, click the three dots and select New in Private window. In Firefox, click the three lines and select New Private window. In Safari, you can find the private browsing mode under Settings, Private Browsing. A window will open. Activate private mode by clicking OK. The word private will appear at the top of the browser's search bar. Cookies and websites are only stored for as long as the window is open. As soon as you close it, everything is gone. This is useful when you are working on a shared computer, want to log into several accounts at the same time, or simply don't want to leave any traces. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.